Coil-Link, a real-time downhole data solution by Kobold Completions. With deeper wells and longer laterals, there are significant increases in risks, costs, and complexities of the completions. Using e-coil technological benefits, Kobold has an engineered system that provides operators with a reliable and actionable solution to monitor downhole conditions and intervention parameters in real time. As friction increases in the lateral section, the string weight measurement on surface becomes an unreliable indication of the actual weight on bit. Differential pressure across the BHA becomes difficult to quickly detect in unstable wells or when nitrogen is introduced to the fluid medium. The disconnect between the surface measurements and the actual downhole forces and pressures can lead to the operator making uninformed decisions. Under these conditions, heavy motor loading or stalls may not be detected due to severe delay in the detection of pressure differential changes using surface measurements. Quick detection of motor load results in longer BHA life and optimal size of cuttings. Surface readings for set down weight can be disconnected from the reality of downhole conditions and lead to free running off bottom. Understanding actual downhole conditions allows for milling optimization, including control over the debris size, potentially avoiding wiper trips. This helps to avoid potential pull pack off situations and increases the lifespan of mills and BHAs. Coil-Link uses a wide range of parameters, delivering valuable and actionable insights into downhole conditions, which allow the operator to solve problems before they develop. The Coil-Link system is readily available, easily transported, and integrates seamlessly with standard coil tubing operations. The surface unit has an internal data logger and streams the data to standard oilfield data acquisition systems. CTU and Coil-Link real-time plots can be viewed on screens locally or accessed remotely by a cellular network. Using the real-time logs and values displayed in the coil cab, our customers gain instant and direct answers to their operational questions. Coil-Link adds value and removes uncertainty for a wide range of coil tubing applications. Coil-Link, real-time downhole data solutions by Kobold Completions.